Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got some friend mail. But first, never mind my stuffy sinus sounding voice. I have got a sinus infection. The weather here in Kentucky has been nuts. Snowing one day, 70s the next, 40s the next, 60s the next, and it's just got my sinuses all tore up. So, this comes to me from a really good friend of mine that I met on YouTube, and her name is Vivian, and her YouTube channel is Diamonds Around You. And she sent this to me and the boys. So I wanted to open it and see what I got and see what she sent the boys. And they are in here. And they are excited to see what Aunt Vivian sent them. So let's get this open. She's got everything so neatly wrapped. Aw. Buster is sitting on my feet. Alright, so we have... Let me just get everything out, and then I am going to just move the box. Alright. So I'm not real sure what to open. Okay, so I'm just going to grab one and open it. Oh my goodness. Isn't that cute? Okay, so we are going to... Uh-oh. Buster, what is that? Uh-oh. He's looking like, what is that? Okay, so let me open these and... Uh-oh, look. He's like, what is that, Mom? Booger, he's not as tall as Buster. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, we have some... We've got some stickers. Be kind, be happy, be you. We've got a dog, a unicorn. These are so cute. Thank you. Is this one for me? No squeaker in that. Alright, let's see. What is this one? Oh my goodness. Is that not cute? Look. Listen. Uh-oh. 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 What is that, Buster? What is it, Buster? Uh-oh. Well, I gotta take tags off. I have to take the tags off. Look, let's see what this one is. Let's see what this one is. Booger's down here. He just ain't as tall as Buster, so he can't get up here on the table like Buster can. Oh, no, this one's for me. Oh, my God, and it's a gnome. Vivi knows I like gnomes, and it is a bath bomb. Frosted Berry Bath Fizzer. Ooh, I'm going to have to try that. Wow. Thank you, Vivian. And I will leave a link to her YouTube channel in my description box. So y'all, if you don't know, if you've not checked out Vivian's channel, y'all need to go check it out. She does lots of unboxings, whipping chats. She is doing what is that called? She's doing a thing with Maritza, a year-round, oh my goodness. I can't do two things at one time, y'all, especially being sick. She is doing she's doing a thing with Maritza for a year, and it's called Year of the Whips, and it's if you have a whip in progress, then you can go over and join their what they're doing. Uh-oh. Alright. But I'm going to... I hope I don't mess up the video. Alright. So, Buster has done cabbaged on to the blue one. Uh-oh. Let Boo Boo... Uh-oh. They're gone. They just took off. Here they come. Here goes Boo Boo. There you go, Boo Boo. Uh-oh. Buster, look. Get this one. Can y'all say thank you, Aunt Vivian? Oh, no. Booger says thank you. Oh, they liking this. Oh, they like their new toys. Thank you, Vivian. Oh, yeah. New squeaky toys. Buster is just loving it. Oh, yeah. Oh, they're going to trade off now. Get it, Boo-Boo. Oh, they like them. Can y'all say thank you, Aunt Vivian? Oh, they'll play with these all day long. Uh-oh. Booger said, you better leave my toy alone. Play with your own. What do you got, Buster? What do you got? Aw. Well, they really like those. Buster, where's yours? Where's yours? Look. Look right here. Well, y'all gonna trade off again? Yep. You're so goofy. You're so goofy. Alright, y'all. They love their new toys, Vivian. Thank you so much. And like I said, I'll leave a link to Vivian's YouTube channel in my description box. And if y'all have not checked her out, please do, because she is awesome, y'all. I love her to death. And until my next video, y'all, I will see you all later. Thank you, Vivian. Love you, girl. Bye, y'all.